Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how you can take screen record within Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's take a look how to. In order to do that, you have to open your PowerPoint app. So I'm going to open my PowerPoint apps and then I'm going to choose a blank presentation. And whenever you in a blank presentation, you will see here a insert tab. Simply click over there. On the right side you will see screen recording. Simply click over there and you will see a new screen will appear in your Windows, and here you see there is a five things. One is record, one is stop, one is select area, one is record your audio, and record pointer, and pin or unpin. You can pin this toolbar or unpin this toolbar. Anyway, so first of all I'm going to select area. So I'm going to select the area where I would like to take screen recording. So I already select the area. Now I'm going to click this record. Also you can click record, restart record by pressing in your keyboard Win key plus Shift plus R key. So I'm going to click this record icon, and now you will see a pop-up will appear. Now whatever you will do in this screen, it will record automatically, and whatever you do anything, it will recording in your file. After that, if you finish recording whatever, simply you can click here stop this, or you can click in your keyboard Win key Shift plus Q key, and it will automatically stop recording. And after that, it will appear in your PowerPoint. Now if you like to export this file in a media file, simply right click over there and then you will see a option save media file as. Simply click over there and select the location and give a file name, and then simply click on save, and after that you will see that file will appear in the located place. So if I open this file, you will see this is how whatever I recorded, whatever I did in my screen, it is automatically recorded. So this is how you can record anything with Microsoft PowerPoint presentation without using any third-party screen recorder. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.